You and me are infused like a single rope. Your water is needed in my dust. My dust is mingled into yours, making me benign. Your face is inscribed onto mine, making me you. I mirrored myself to see me and found you. What's that? I'm speechless and thought to be mistaken. But to whom I love like a butterfly, to whom I adore like a firefly, to whom I call as I am in, it's a pun or a paradox. Whenever I call myself, honey flickers onto my skin as akin to me. Whenever I see you, spectacle of purity spell me bound.